Alright, so now we're going to be looking at some function tables. So I went ahead and I made a function table. Notice that as usual we have our domain, which is our x values, and we have our range, which is our y values. So what we're looking for when we're trying to determine if it is a function or not a function is, do we have an x value that has a relationship with more than one y value? In this case, our y values are all the same, so we're really not too concerned about that. But now we just got to look at our x values, and when we see the x values, notice that we have 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. Each one of these x values has a relationship with one y value. Because of that, this is a function, because x does not repeat. And if you were to write this as ordered pairs, you can imagine it would be, for instance, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, and so on. Our x values do not repeat. On the other hand, if I look at my second table, at my domain and range, I notice that we have a pair of 1, 2, and then we have 2, 2, and then we have 2, 3. So here it becomes a problem. And what I'll tell you is, anytime you're looking at a function table, you always want to question, if you see x repeat, if it is a function or not. And the way you validate that is you look if x repeats and see what y value it gives. If it were to give the same y value, for instance, if this was 2, 2 and this was 2, 2 again, it still would be a function. They just for some reason put that point in the table twice. On the other hand, if x is saying it has a relationship with, or the x value is saying it has a relationship with the y value, and then that same x value is saying it has a relationship with a different y value, as in this case, then it is not a function. So you can look at this as, for instance, we have 2, 2, and then we have the ordered pair of 2, 3. Or if we wanted to graph that, we could plot a point on 2, 2, and we will plot a point on 2, 3. And that would show you that that would fail the vertical line test, because we have 2 points on the same x value of 2. So in this case, this one right here, because our x value has a relationship with 2 different y values, is not a function.